them to the festival tonight.
Wow, it's break time.
Yes, today was so hectic. A lot of lessons and notes to copy.
I really agree with you.
Yeah, let's go to the school cafeteria and have some lunch there.
At least we can rest and eat fun.
Princess.
Hey mother, how are you doing my school for the first time?
Come here. Remember festival tonight. And we need like 1 or 2 kids for the ritual and initiation. Now take this. Give it to your friends.
I'll try to get it.
Yes. Give it to them. Let them eat. Bring them to the festival tonight. Bring them. Let them come. I promise you, if you succeed, I will promote you. I will give you more stars. I will promote you. You will come up. You will come up. Go, my daughter. Go.
So what do you have for lunch?
Well, my parents didn't give me any food. My parents didn't give me anything to take to school today.
Oh, that's so sad. Sorry.
Thank you.
Oh, happy to see you guys. I'm looking all over the school for you guys.
Hi. Oh, hi, Fedora. Hi, Fedora.
Like,
Join us.
oh, I left my food out, so I'll go get it. Benita, it's for you. For you.
Oh, thanks, Fedora. I really appreciate it.
Yeah. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Let me go get my food. Bye. Let me get my lunch. Bye.
Come, my daughter. All of you was all over the world. I believe you've seen the picture we're trying to create. Always take good care of your kids. Give them all they need. Ensure that they do not lack anything, be it food, clothes, or school materials. Because if you don't fill up that gap for your child, someone else will help you do so. And the consequences may be dangerous. Parents, teach your children how to be contented and satisfied with what they have. Teach them never to take anything from their friends, schoolmates, teachers, strangers, etc. without your permission. And lastly, parents, teach your children how to pray before they take or eat anything.
The days are evil. Be warned. Put on your thinking cap. There's too much evil in the land. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Young Detective TV. On Facebook, Young Detective. On Instagram, The Young Detective.